Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error with your Mac. So if your Mac just stuck on boot loading, so you just see Apple logo and loading bar and nothing happens, so it just stuck. So how you can fix it? So just I will show to you, just shut down.
So just wait until it will.
Close all the apps and
You will be able for.
power on your MacBook. So just tap on power and just choose option button before you will see Apple logo. So just keep holding option button before you will see Apple logo. So now you just need to try to tap here. Just tap on enter and just try to open your system from your hard drive. So this is the first thing you need to try. Another way you can also try, just power on again, tap on Command R before you will see Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons before you will see Apple logo and just release them. So just keep holding these two buttons for about maybe 5 seconds or something like this. So now you will see Apple logo and loading bar. So now MacOS utilities just loading on your computer and you will be able for using
It. So just wait.
So now you just need to choose language
And tap on enter or.
or here on continue. So now you just need to wait until it will examine the volumes on your computer and you will see here, you can see all the utilities. Just
Choose this utility and tap on continue.
continue.
So now
Just choose your hard drive, your system, and just choose your first add. So now here you can see that it will delete and repair errors in the selected volume, container, or device partition map. So it will automatically check your hard drive for different corrupting files, temporary files, unnecessary files, and just fix them if they have some errors. And just you need to restart your computer and everything will work. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to restore from time machine, or the latest thing you can try is just reinstall macOS on your computer. So just restart your computer and like I showed to you previous time, so just keep holding these two buttons, command enter, and just get into this mode again, into this macOS utilities, and just choose reinstall and reinstall your system. So this is the way how we can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.